And if I wanted to schedule a birthday party in March in Omaha at a pony ranch, I could use this device and I could find such a location and I could book that party for our kids and I could probably even pay for it while I'm standing up here on the stage. But if I'm working at a large enterprise and I'm being paid a lot of money to make decisions that impact millions of dollars, I can't find anything. I can't find, is this the right contract? Or do the invoices match to this thing? Is my supply chain compliant? I can't find anything. So we've got all these smart people that can book pony parties on their phone when they're in the bathroom, but they can't find the data that would allow them to actually run their business effectively.